Welcome everyone. We're going to work on our arms today. For these exercises, you need to be on your belly and on your chest. Feel free to use weights if you like, or you can do them without any weights. So please join me on the mat, and you will have your belly, chest on the mat. Keep your legs straight. Before we start the exercises, just bring your elbows underneath the head of the shoulders for Sphinx pose. Keep your hands shoulder distance apart. Press your shoulders back. You can gaze up or you can look forward. Hold yourself in this pose for 5 breaths. It's 2, breathing, 3, 4, and 5. Then you can place your hands on the mat or off the mat, or you can have your hands in front of you or close to you for a few rounds of Cobra. Inhale, lengthening the spine. Take your head up, torso up. Exhale, release. You can keep your palms down, or you can keep your fingertips down. At your own pace, lift and lower. Then the next time you lift, please hold yourself. You keep your pubic bone down. It's 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Feel free to grab your weights. You can keep your forehead down or chin on the mat, arms by your side. You will take your arms up and down, palms facing up for 10. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then keep your arms where they are. Just flip your palms, palms facing down. Now take your arms up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Then you're going to keep your arms in cactus shape, which means you bend your elbows, elbows in line with your shoulders, palms facing down. Weights are optional. Now just lift your arms. Your elbows are bent. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now have your hands on top of each other, forehead on your hands. Take a short break. For the next one, cactus arms. Then extend your arms to the sides and bend your elbows. Inhale, extend, exhale, bend for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, release, relax. Okay, then arms in a T-shaped position, keeping your arms in line with your shoulders. Take your arms up and down, forehead down or chin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now to stretch, take your left arm to your right side, right arm in front of your left arm to your left side. You can hover your head, or you can keep your head up, hold and breathe. And then we will switch. So right arm goes behind your left arm. Left hand to your right side, right hand to your left side, palms facing up. Good, and release it out. Now, you're going to open up your arms as wide as the width of the mat. Head down, take your arms up and down. You initiate these exercises from your shoulders. We're working on your biceps and your triceps. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, release. Okay, then imagine you're swimming. So arms forward, take your arms to the sides. Bring them close to your side ribs and to the chest, and then go forward again. For this one, you're not touching the mat or the floor with your hands. Lift your chest and head a little bit for 5, 4. Spread your fingers wide. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now you will reverse the direction. So bring your hands towards the chest and your side ribs. Open to the side. Now go forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Release, relax. Okay, keep your hands on top of each other, forehead on your hands. You're going to lift the chest. For this one, first your forehead is glued to your hands. Extend your arms to the sides. In a T-shaped position, bend your elbows, forehead on your hands, hands down. Lift, extend, bend, lower. Lift your head and your arms. Straighten your arms, bend the elbows, head down, hands down. For 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax, release. Okay, then you're going to bend your elbows. Elbows are going to touch the sides of your torso. Forehead down or chin down. Take your arms forward in a V-shaped position, then bend your elbows. Inhale, extend, exhale, bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, release. Okay. Then you're going to take your arms forward, lift the chest up, head up, and then you will draw half of a circle with your arms. Take it to the side and then hands towards your legs. Then arms forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release it out. Okay. Then fingers to your palms, thumbs facing up. You're going to open up your arms in a T-shaped position and then bring your hands together. You're not touching the floor or the mat with your arms, with your hands. Inhale, open, exhale, close. Forehead down, chin down, or you can lift your head a little bit. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release it out. Then let's stretch, taking your right arm to your right side. You keep your hand, elbow in line with your shoulder. Then you're going to turn to the right side of your body. Left foot will be behind your right leg. You can have your left hand in front of your chest or to your waist or to your lower back. Okay, switch sides. Left arm to your left side. Bend your right knee, right hand in front of your chest or to your waist or to your lower back. Right knee is bent and left leg is straight. You can keep your head down, the left side of your head, your left ear. If this doesn't work for you, you can always have a block or a folded blanket underneath your head. Great. And really sit out. Then you're going to have your hands close to your side ribs. Lift your hands and then release your hands. For this one, you're not lifting your head or your chest. Lift your palms, release your palms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now, you will have your hands, palms facing up, hands on your sacrum. Sacrum is a triangular bone at the base of the spine. Lift your hands. Now, right hand on top of your left hand on top of your right hand. So you straighten the arms and then you bend the elbows. Forehead down or chin down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Release it out. Okay. Then you can have your left hand underneath your forehead. Bend your right knee, right hand to your ankle or your foot. This is your first option. The other option is to have your left hand down and then lift the chest up. This is a deeper stretch, but if it doesn't work for your body, try to do the first variation. And switch. Right hand underneath your forehead, bend your left knee, left hand to your ankle or to your foot. Or right hand to the mat, lift the chest up, press your left foot back. Good, and release it out. Then arms forward, forehead down. Lift your arms, both of them at the same time. You can have one weight in your hand or both weights or without weights. So you're not doing any back bends here, you're just lifting your arms. 2, try to keep them straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then bring your hands close to your side ribs. Press yourself to tabletop and then come to child's pose. Then take your right arm under your left. And switch. Take your left arm underneath your right. You can have your forehead down or left ear down. Good. Last exercise in child's pose. Chin down or forehead down. Lift your right arm 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Then you can come to a comfortable seated position. Right arm goes underneath your left arm. You can have the tops of your hands together or palms together. Then left arm goes under. Relax your shoulders, elbows forward. Good, release. Right arm to your left side, bend your left elbow, take your right shoulder back. And switch. Great. Interlace your fingers, have your hands behind your sacrum, press your shoulders back, pull the ribs in, try to sit tall. You can stay here or you can fold arms up, head down. Good. Okay, release it out. If you have some time, please rest in Shavasana. You can lie down and breathe. If you don't have any time, you can repeat all these exercises again. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns.